there will be a public viewing of the remains of the late Prime Minister Raila Odinga after that state event. And therefore, those who want to continue mourning our departed leader have no cause to worry. There will be another opportunity, and we will stretch that opportunity from around 12 o'clock noon to as far as possible to give the highest number of mourners an opportunity to mourn and pay their last respects to their departed leader. The next briefing will be done tomorrow, Friday 17th of October 2025 at 6:30 p.m. here. And as Kenyans are aware, the government has declared tomorrow a public holiday to allow Kenyans to mourn the late Prime Minister Raila Odinga more conveniently. We have the apologies of the co-chairman of the National Funeral Committee, National State Funeral Committee of the late Raila Odinga, Senator Dr. Oburu Oginga, who is away in Siaya, but is represented by his sister, Dr. Wenwa Kiny Oginga, who is here, together with the other family members here, whom I announced yesterday. That is all for now. We thank you and wish you a good night, and see you tomorrow at Nyayo Stadium. We continue condoling with the family and associates, friends and community, and the entire fraternity of Kenyans and international friends who knew the late Prime Minister, and continue to pray that his soul may rest in eternal peace. Thank you very much and have a good evening. Thank you.